Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to display a date picker dialog on button click in Sketchware. So here I have a blog post over this, and for the app compat design I have created this post, show date picker dialog. So here first thing we have to do is switch on app compat design. So in library I have switched on app compat design. Now here I have a button 1 and a text view 1. So after this we have to create a more block extra and use following code. So I'll just copy this and show you this code. So this is the code. This code is public static class date picker fragment. This is the name of this class, and it extends androidx.appcompat.app.appcompat dialog fragment. So this is actually a app compat dialog fragment type, and it implements date picker dialog dot on date set listener, and it has this method on create dialog, in which I have defined a calendar C is equal to calendar dot get instance. Means it is a calendar for the current time and current date. From this calendar C I get the current year, C dot get calendar dot year, and this is set as an int year. Then similarly int month is equal to C dot get calendar dot month. This will be the month of calendar, and int day is equal to C dot get calendar dot day of month. This will get the current date. Then I return a new date picker dialog with these variables: get activity, comma this, comma year, comma month, comma day. Okay, this year, month and day are the current year, current month and current day. Then this get activity is the activity. In my case it will be main activity dot this, and this is the date picker dialog dot on date set listener. This is equal to this in this code. So this will return the date picker dialog. So it will show a date picker dialog with the current year, month and day. After this I have this method on date set with these variables: date picker view, int year, int month and int day. Here the year, month and day are the year, month and day selected by the user in the date picker dialog, and this month varies from 0 to 11. So that's why I have defined a new int month mon is equal to month plus 1, and then I define a string date is equal to day plus slash plus month plus year. Okay, and yeah, I have to display it in text view 1, but here in the code there is edit text. So since this is a static method, I cannot simply write text view 1 dot set text date. So I have to get text view 1 from view. So here I will change this edit text to text view. Then I change the name to text view 1. Text view 1 is equal to, then the type will again be a text view, and here we have to use get activity. This will get main activity dot find view by id r dot id dot. Here we have to use the id of our view. So my view is text view 1, so I will just change it to text view 1. Then in text view 1 I have to display the date. So here I will write text view 1 dot set text date, and then I close this. So I'll just copy this and I will put it in a more block. Here this is text view 1, this is button 1. So in more blocks I will create a more block extra, and inside this I will put this code. Now the next part, I have to create another more block called show date picker, and inside this I have to use this second part of code, which is this is for defining the dialog fragment, the date picker fragment. So this is an app compat dialog fragment, and the name of this is new fragment, and this new fragment is equal to new date picker fragment, which we just defined in the more block extra. So it defines new fragment and it displays it new fragment dot show get support fragment manager comma date picker. So this will show the dialog fragment. So now we can use this in button 1 click. On button 1 click I'll put this show date picker block, and that's all. Now let's check this. Now in this app, when I click on this button, it displays this date picker dialog, and when I select any date and click on OK, it will be displayed in this text view. So I can select any date and the date will be displayed in this text view. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.